Make $12 per hour worldwide? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to have a look at in today's video. I'm going to show you actually how you can get paid to search Google. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started here, today's video is going to be a quick one, so make sure you stick till the end here so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in building a real online business, make a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. But we save that for the end of this video because for now we want to get started to make $12 per hour while we build a real sustainable online business there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the site that we are going to have a look at in today's video here is Appen, A-P-P-E-N, appen.com, and this is how it looks when you arrive here to the main site actually. Data with a human touch, high quality training data for machine learning enhanced by human interaction. You can see here Appen provides high quality training data to improve machine learning at a scale. So I want to have a quick look at it before we're actually diving into how we can make money with this site here. But you can see here it is available in 130 plus countries, expertise in 180 plus languages, which pretty much makes it worldwide actually here. This company has been around for years now, 20 plus years working with leading global technology companies, and it has a very good reputation in overall. You can do a quick search if you want to. Here are the offices that they have around the globe. So basically, if we have a quick look at the career section, you can see here that there is raters, which we are interested in. There is also actually language jobs. You can actually work with transcription, translation, if you're able to have a good knowledge in another language. There is also micro tasks and corporate jobs here. But we are interested in today's video in actually what I said in the beginning here, to search Google. So how do you do that? Well, you become a web search evaluator. So if I have a quick look in Google here, web search evaluator, what is a web search evaluator then? By just opening it up, search engine evaluators gives feedback to ensure that internet search results are comprehensive, accurate, timely, and then they are spam-free and relevant to the searcher's intent. In essence, they are human check on the complicated algorithms that search engines run. So basically, they ask you to search for something, and you're just going to leave a feedback if you could find it, if it was high ranked in Google and stuff like that. So it is super simple. All you have to do is actually follow the instructions there. So if I have a quick look at job listing sections here, if you go to the corporate jobs, like for example, this is how it looks when we open it up in a new tab. So you can quickly see here, I just typed in earlier web search evaluator, and since I'm located in Greece, it shows Greece remote. So at Appen we work with 8 out of 10 global technology companies in the world to improve and optimize their products for users worldwide, including social media platforms, search engines, voice recognition systems, and e-commerce sites. The world of tech is moving fast, and since our founding in 1996, we rose to the challenge by becoming a publicly listed company and by building an international team that works in over 130 countries in more than 180 languages. Worldwide, once again, here is the proof. So, do you like searching for information on the web and wonder why you see the results? If so, we're looking for new members of our web search evaluator team. As an evaluator, you perform basic tasks online, such as providing feedback on search results, advertisement, and web page content. Probably yes. So basically, I'm not going to continue here, but you could quickly see what this is all about. It is more or less what I've explained on earlier. You can have a look at your own location here, where you are located. So it's definitely worth to have a quick look here. But there is also tons of other job opportunities here. I mean, social media evaluator, for example, could be another opportunity. So by just having a quick look here, you can see that it says the same. They do actually have a position available. So let's go for United States, Detroit. You can see this is now available at right now. But let's say that we go for web search. So it definitely depends on the location there, okay? And it's not only the location, but there is also remote global. So I think you basically just need to sign up there and get started to apply. So by having a quick look on how much you can actually make, you can see here that average Appen hourly ranges from approximately $12.14 per hour. Okay, for independent consultant, you can actually make $30 per hour, but I wanted to be realistically here, so I said $12 per hour. And that is actually more or less what I found out on Google while doing a quick search. You can see here before I proceed that you can actually from approximately, you can see from 85 and 69 per day for researchers to $95 per day for English teacher. So it definitely depends on your skills here. But by having a quick look on how much does Appen pay, you can see here the typically Appen web search evaluator hourly pays from $5 to $16. And I just opened up, this was actually on Indeed here. So I found it out that $12 is more or less more realistically to actually mention to be paid there. So we don't want to have too high expectations. So Appen.com, definitely a great way to start to earn $12 plus per hour. Now, Appen doesn't have all the time, so you're not going to work full time on this only opportunity. You might have to combine with some other skills there, and you're probably not going to get rich with this opportunity, as I said in the beginning of this video. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you got some value here, make sure you smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You'll find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine. I highly recommend you to subscribe to both. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.